So, a slight bit of good news in an otherwise horrible and dismal goings on in the right wing insanity. You know how Tennessee is trying to ban all drag shows everywhere? Turns out that, at least for now, a Tennessee judge has put a temporary stay on this law, saying that it's unconstitutional. As it says in the article, which I will link to in the comments, a federal judge in Memphis, Tennessee on Friday temporarily blocked a law restricting drag performances in public from going into effect, saying it was likely, quote, vague and overly broad in its restriction of speech. Lee, the one trying to put this law into place, said that the law would protect children from being potentially exposed to sexualized entertainment, to obscenity. And what the judge who put a stay on this law said is that, what the fuck does that even mean? Of course, the main problem with this whole ban on drag shows is that the people trying to pass these laws don't actually know what a drag show is. First of all, they somehow don't understand that a drag show is not the same thing as a drag storytime hour. A drag show, it can also be many different things. I mean, you go down to like Lips, the infamous drag bar in San Diego, they're not stripping, they're not sticking, prosthetic boobs in your face. It's a restaurant. They go on stage, they dress up all fancy, they sing or lip sync to a song. That's it. It's not sexual unless you're looking at it and going, wow, that's sexual. And if that's your reaction, that's on you. And again, that's not the same thing as a drag story time in a library. Do you think that, of course they do. Apparently Republicans think that a drag story time at a library is them like stripping down to lingerie and I guess touching children and like what the fuck do they think happens? Truly, I guess it all, again, as always, comes down to the magical thinking alternate reality that Republicans live in, where whatever their interpretation of what's going on is fed to them by Tucker Carlson, Marjorie Taylor Greene, etc. It has nothing to do with what's actually going on. And because they have already decided what they feel about a situation, it doesn't matter how much evidence you throw to them that they are living in an alternate reality, they will never change their mind. And the scary part of it is that they are passing laws based on these made-up realities.